Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure this is the right account to remove and you can access it. Sign into the Xbox One using that Microsoft account so the console recognizes it. Once signed in, back up any local saves to the cloud or export them to an external drive, otherwise you may lose progress. Make sure your console is online and that you can reach account. Microsoft.com. This enables removal steps that follow and prevents lockouts during the process. Now you remove the account from the Xbox One. Press the Xbox button, navigate to Profile and System, then Settings. From Account, choose Remove Accounts, highlight the target account, and select Remove. You do this because removing locally clears credentials and prevents automatic sign-in. Once confirmed, wait for the system to finish signing out and clearing cached data. If you plan to delete the Microsoft account entirely, you must continue on a web browser at Account. Microsoft.com after local removal. To permanently delete the Microsoft account you removed, sign into Account. Microsoft.com on a PC or phone. Follow Close your account, review active subscriptions, cancel them, and resolve outstanding balances. Microsoft won't let you close an account with active services. Confirm identity via two-factor methods and schedule closure. Microsoft keeps the account recoverable for a waiting period. If something goes wrong on Xbox, reboot the console. Ensure network connectivity. Then try re-signing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.